All right, that ceremony is going to be taking place at the Red Mountain Theater, which is where we're at now. It gets underway at about 6 o'clock. Coach Saban already in the house, talking with the media as we speak right now. As you mentioned, two former University of Alabama assistant coaches, David Cutcliffe and Pat Dye. Did you know that they worked together on the same coaching staff with Coach Paul Bryant? They went on to have some legendary times as head coaches, and tonight they become the fourth duo to be celebrated with the Nick Saban Legacy Award. David Cutcliffe, a Birmingham native, and former Auburn University head coach Pat Dye, who passed away just a few years back. They're going to be honored tonight. We're going to have all that. You can watch it being streamed on social media with WBRC6. And, of course, we'll have a broadcast Sunday night, 8 o'clock, as we rebroadcast the Nick Saban Legacy Awards for you Sunday night right here on WBRC6. It's going to be a great night. Nick Saban Legacy Award. Coach Dye and Coach Cutcliffe being awarded. I'm Sheldon Haygood, WBRC News on your side.